Nature's Healing TV presents Natural Immune Booster that works fast, the secret your body has been waiting for. What if I told you your body already has the power to fight infections, destroy viruses, and restore your strength fast? But something is blocking it, weakening it, slowing it down. And right now, you're either strengthening your immune system or silently destroying it. Today, I'm about to reveal a powerful natural immune booster that works quickly, is backed by both traditional wisdom and modern understanding, and can be made right in your home. This is not hype. This is something people have used for generations, and it still works today. Let's be honest. Why are people falling sick so easily today? Why do minor infections turn into serious conditions? Why does recovery take longer than it used to? The answer is simple. Your immune system is under attack. Poor diet, stress, environmental toxins, lack of sleep, processed foods, all of these weaken your body's natural defense. And when your immune system drops, everything enters: viruses, bacteria, inflammation, fatigue. But here's the truth most people ignore. Your immune system doesn't need complicated chemicals to recover. It needs activation, nourishment, support, and nature already provides exactly that. Introduction to the remedy. The immune booster I'm about to show you is a powerful blend of ginger, garlic, lemon, honey, and optional turmeric. This combination is not random. Each ingredient carries unique healing properties, but when combined, they become a natural immune weapon. Used traditionally across Africa, Asia, and ancient healing systems, this mixture is known to fight infections, reduce inflammation, boost energy, strengthen immunity fast. Ingredient breakdown. 1. Ginger, the internal fire. Ginger is more than a spice, it's a healer. Improves circulation, fights inflammation, helps the body eliminate toxins, warms the system, making it harder for viruses to survive. When you feel weak or cold, ginger activates your body from within. 2. Garlic, nature's antibiotic. Garlic is one of the most powerful natural medicines known. Contains compounds that fight bacteria and viruses, strengthens immune cells, helps the body respond quickly to infections. This is why traditional healers relied on garlic long before modern medicine. 3. Lemon, the vitamin C powerhouse. Lemon cleanses and strengthens. Rich in vitamin C, supports white blood cells, detoxifies the body, helps balance internal pH. It gives your immune system the fuel it needs to respond fast. 4. Honey, the natural healer. Raw honey is not just sweet, it's medicinal. Soothes inflammation, contains antioxidants, supports healing, helps carry other ingredients deep into the body. It also makes this mixture easier to consume. 5. Turmeric, optional, the golden protector. Turmeric contains powerful anti-inflammatory compounds, strengthens immunity, fights internal damage, supports overall healing. Adding turmeric takes this remedy to another level. Preparation. Now, let's prepare this powerful immune booster. You will need 1 medium ginger root, 4 to 5 cloves of garlic, 1 fresh lemon, 2 tablespoons of raw honey, half a teaspoon of turmeric, optional. Steps. Wash and peel the ginger. Crush or grate the ginger. Peel and crush the garlic. Squeeze the fresh lemon juice. Mix everything in a clean container. Add honey and stir thoroughly. Add turmeric if available. Let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. This allows the active compounds to combine and activate. How to use. For best results, take 1 tablespoon every morning on an empty stomach. Take another tablespoon at night before bed. If you're already feeling weak or sick, take it 2 to 3 times daily. Within a short time, many people report increased energy, reduced symptoms, faster recovery. Why it works fast. This is where most people get it wrong. It's not about taking random remedies, it's about synergy. This mixture works fast because it attacks pathogens directly, garlic. It boosts immune response, lemon, ginger. It reduces inflammation, turmeric, honey. It supports healing and absorption, honey. So instead of just treating symptoms, it empowers your entire system. That's the difference. Benefits. When taken consistently, this immune booster can help strengthen your body's defense system, reduce frequency of illness, improve digestion, increase energy levels, support faster recovery from infections, cleanse the body naturally. This is not a quick fix. It's a foundation for stronger health. Important caution. Now listen carefully. This is powerful, but it must be used wisely. If you have ulcers or sensitive stomach, reduce garlic. If you're allergic to any ingredient, avoid it. Pregnant women should consult a professional. This is not a replacement for medical treatment in severe conditions. Use it as support, not a substitute. Your body is not weak, it's just unsupported. The solution is not always complicated. Sometimes it's simple, natural, and already within reach. This immune booster is not magic, but when used consistently, it can help restore what your body has been missing. So start today. Strengthen your system. Protect your health. Because the stronger your immunity, the harder it is for sickness to survive inside you. If you found this helpful, share this message. Someone out there needs this urgently. And don't forget, your health is your responsibility. Follow Nature's Healing TV for more.
This video is for educational and traditional knowledge purposes only and is not a substitute for professional medical advice or diagnosis, so be warned.